Ladies and gentlemen, another big round of applause. Your United States Army Golden Knights with us this weekend here at JBMDL. Great to have them with us this weekend. And if you look to your left, here comes Paul Dougherty in the Christen Eagle. Paul Dougherty with us this weekend, going to do us a little warm-up act. As you see him pull back on the stick, the Christen Eagle climbing up into the skies over McGuire. Here he comes across the top, down the 45-degree line, rolling the aircraft upright again. We get the first half of the Cuban 8. The Christen Eagle, high-performance aerobatic aircraft. Paul's been flying for many, many years now. Got his pilot's license at the grand old age of 16. Got his instrument and commercial rating when he was 19 years of age. Back down the 45-degree line, rolling the aircraft upright again. He completes the Cuban 8 or the Lazy 8. Paul's a 737 captain for American Airlines with over 27 years. He's logged over 23,000 hours. That's almost 3 years in the air. Hammerhead as he goes straight back down from your right. Got that nose pointed down, building up a lot of airspeed as he pulls it down. Right across show center in a 1, 2, 3, and a nice 4-point roll. Paul's going to be performing for us a little bit later on his full aerobatic routine. He's from Bethel, Pennsylvania. He's president and co-founder of Golden Age Air Museum in Bethel, Pennsylvania, located at Grimes Airfield. Golden Age Air Museum is a small non-profit flying museum featuring over 35 vintage aircraft. 18 of them are airworthy. Watch now as he performs the rolling roll maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, this takes incredible stick and rudder coordination. Not only is he turning the aircraft, he's rolling it at the same time. All very busy in the cockpit when that's going on. Bringing the aircraft back around this time from your left. Again, he's got that engine really wound up, building up a lot of speed. Giving us a nice profile there, the Christen Eagle. Rolling back on the stick. Once again, watch now as he takes the aircraft. Looks like it's in a barrel roll. He goes all the way around. The barrel roll. Looks like he's rolling on the inside of a barrel. The aircraft he's flying today was originally designed back in 1977 as an alternate to the Pitt Special, one of the finest and most competitive kit aircraft ever produced. The engine has a 230 horsepower Lycoming, pulling Paul through the air today. Watch now, right back at the show center line. Pulling back, he comes across the top, keeping out the aircraft, and he snaps it across the top, brings the aircraft back down, and completes the avalanche loop. Be sure to like Paul on Facebook and check out their website, DoughertyAirshows.com.